Okay, so just wanted to show you these new Evolution lights by Predator. We've got them fitted to the roof on the Ford Ranger. We're outside the showroom and shop, 4x4at.com. It's December, it's dark already, and we just want to show you just how good these lights are. So, we've just got the normal headlights on the car. We've got the lasers fitted actually, so I'll show you the lasers. So, these are the 750 laser lights. That's those. We'll leave those on. And then I'm going to turn on also Predator Evo 40 roof lights. So here goes, it's on a separate switch. So look at that, they are. So that's the laser 750s. There's a pair of those mounted in the front grille on this car. And then that is we turn on the roof lights, the Evo ones. It's a bit windy, so I'll just see if I can show you so we've got the Predator light there. We've got this light integration that mounts on the Ranger very neatly. And you can see it's a bit of a different design, is this, so I won't let me show you too much of the front of it, but it's like a clear design. It's in a polycarbonate housing, and we'll post some other videos on it later, just a really quick bit of an amateur video I know, just to show, but hopefully it helps you get the picture just how bright these Evo 40-inch roof bar lights are, made by Predator. Further details 4x4at.com. That's it turned off. Leaves on this bit of a daytime running light effect. You can turn that off as well and just have nothing. But so on, off. Further details 4x4at.com or click the link. Thanks for watching.